What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Abby, and today we are back with another freaking video. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit the notification button, subscribe, comment down below, and like this video for me, please and thank you. Today's video I basically would just be showing you guys how to make sugar scrub with baking soda and lemon at home. This is actually good for exfoliating, for brightening dark spots. The lemon is good for brightening dark spots because of the vitamin C, and I don't know what else it has in it that lightens the skin. And baking soda does as well. And baking soda is actually very good for the skin. So I like to mix those things in my sugar scrub. So when I use it, I feel much more fresh, exfoliated, and my skin is silky smooth. And you actually might even taste a little better down there. So you know, girl, it is what it is, and let's get right into this video or whatever. First, let's enjoy this lighting up, because this lighting
with Drake, heard bitches got mad when the done came. New money coming true, baby, make way. I don't know why these galley wanna act hard, nothing in my door, but them love talk. I'ma show dumb hoes how to think.
Alrighty, y'all, so all you are basically going to need is some coconut oil, baking soda, lemon, half a lemon or two, how many you prefer, and some brown sugar. You're going to add a couple of tablespoons of the brown sugar, as many as you prefer to your liking. Then slowly but surely you are going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, my loves. All right, and I mean, you can add 3 if you want. And I don't even know, y'all. It don't even matter, to be honest. Just add as much as you want. Now you just need to squeeze in the motherfucking lemon. And if your lemons are seeded, make sure you take out the seeds. The reason why I put the lemon and the baking soda in my sugar scrub is because it's better for brightening dark spots down there. Or, you know, let's not get too into detail. But yes, after you add all those ingredients together, you are going to stir. I decided to add 1 more piece of lemon because I feel like that's just better, because I added more sugar. So that is just that, y'all. Now all you need to do is add your coconut oil. You can add other essential oils if that's what you want. I prefer coconut oil because I shave with that as well, and it's good to exfoliate before you shave. And honestly, guys, that's about it. All you really have to do after is add more sugar if you would like, and then you just stir it. And once you are done, what you need to do is store it in the fridge. So whenever you want to use your sugar scrub, you take it out the fridge and then you store it back in there so it can stay nice and healthy. All right, guys. And this is all I have for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. I will see you guys next time. Peace, love, and blessings, y'all. I'm a rock star.